For decades, the M1 Abrams tank has been the backbone of the United States Armored Force. However, in the modern era full of new challenges, the U.S. Army is now developing the latest variant of this legendary tank. Lighter, faster, and armed with cutting-edge technology. This is the new generation Abrams A revolution in armored defense. The Abrams tank was first introduced in the 1980s and soon became a symbol of U.S. military power. However, over time, the battlefield has changed. New threats such as drones, anti-tank missiles, and urban warfare forced the U.S. Army to rethink their tank designs. The traditional Abrams tank weighs about 70 tons, making it difficult to transport and less agile in complex terrain. In addition, high fuel consumption and expensive maintenance costs pose a challenge. This is why General Dynamics, the manufacturer of Abrams tanks, together with the U.S. Army, began developing a new variant that is lighter and more efficient. This latest variant, often referred to as the AbramsX, comes with a number of significant improvements. Firstly, its weight has been reduced by nearly 20 tons, making it easier to transport and more agile on the battlefield. In addition, the AbramsX is equipped with an advanced AI system that enables semi-autonomous operations. It can analyze threats, identify targets, and even suggest the best course of action to the tank crew. Its armament is also upgraded with automatic cannons and active defense systems that can ward off missile and drone attacks. Its modular design allows for easier maintenance and lower operational costs. Not to forget, the AbramsX is also more environmentally friendly with a hybrid engine that reduces fuel consumption and carbon emissions. However, the development of this new tank was not without its challenges. Reducing weight while maintaining adequate firepower and protection is a complex task. In addition, the integration of AI technology and automated systems requires extensive testing to ensure reliability on the battlefield. Currently, the AbramsX is still in the prototype and test phase. The U.S. Army is working closely with General Dynamics to refine the design and ensure that it is ready for the challenges of the future. The AbramsX marks a new chapter in U.S. military defense. With its advanced technology, it not only enhances combat capability, but also opens the door for better integration with modern defense systems such as drones and autonomous vehicles. It is also an important step in reducing dependence on fossil fuels and towards more sustainable military operations. Most importantly, however, AbramsX is proof that the U.S. Army continues to innovate to stay ahead of evolving global threats. The new generation Abrams tank is not just a technological upgrade, it's a symbol of adaptation and resilience. With AbramsX, the future of armored defense looks lighter, smarter, and better prepared for whatever may come. What do you think? Will AbramsX be a game changer in modern defense? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with the latest updates on technology and defense. See you in the next video.